All right. So just started the live stream. So the daily, we just been starting to like kind of turn around. We do got a lot of range up if we do want to continue up into these highs again. But skip before I go to the 1 hour, as you know, and as is the case most of the time we come here, it's really just bouncing around in a range. So we about to break the previous 1 hour candle like right now. I'm wondering if price is gonna try to come up, or sorry, not come up, but come down after we close here in the next minute. Let's see, because that's really where the next sell would be if you waited, but it's just like we starting to obviously turn around. Want to get caught in no dumbass pullback. 30 minutes, what it's talking about. Yeah, bruh. And depend on if they leave a wick. I'm wondering if it'll get stopped up right here or not, but it might just close below that. 7 seconds. 4, 3. That's not a bad closure. Let's see. Ooh. Sell stop, break it low. Break it a previous candle low. That's what it's looking like. Right, it stops are so big. Let's see how big this is if I were to get in on a break of this low. About 40 something, about 40. I'm wondering if I should go to MGC and use a. Yeah, I'm going to MGC. Damn. Use like a 8. Bruh, this shit bad as hell. Okay, stop loss, bruh. Let me go to MGC. Just so niggas can know what I'm looking at. Looking at how this candle closed below. Likely coming down into like here pretty effortlessly. You gonna hold for that full 130. Right at that point, I really don't even need that big of a risk for real. Let me go even lower.
I put a 6.
I mean, I'm yeah, that's what I'm leaning towards, 6 or 7. Because I mean, how big is the actual stop loss? 20, 30. I'm interested to see if it'll even get me in or like come down that much. I hate how much it'd be having to come down. I'm telling you, I'd be wanting to put that little sell limit right there, but that ain't my trading style. Ooh, all right, we got some volume coming now. Damn, this perfect taps. Let's see, 7. Bro, Roger, I be wanting to hold for that like 80 to 100, bro. No lie. Because we can. It don't even take long to get it.
That's what I'm holding to.
Huh?
That's what I'm holding to. About 75.
Yeah. I mean, bro, it ain't nothing. It closed below. It ain't nothing under there.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I want 80 plus. I go stops to break even after what? 40, 50 maybe? And just, it's hard just letting 40, 50 turn to 0. When you got lower lots, like it don't really matter because like you wasn't missing nothing but a couple $100. So that's what going down looks like. Let's see, bro. Damn, I wish I could call this. Perfect tap. We got a minute 40 left in this 5-minute candle. I got enough breathing room on this to take to have like a 50-60 pip risk too. Because it's just I have a 7 over here. I got a 2.1 over on this other side. All right, let's see. It's close. I ain't getting on the. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't get on that flip. The boys would have been hurt, bruh. Negative 30 off of the flip, a re-break, which was 50.26. It's at 50.29 now, and you still got to just hold it down. Damn. Okay. Spreads are normal. I'm looking on TRADECOPIA. It's like 3 to 5 pips. And you can see them up here in the top left too. Like 3 to 5 pips. Nothing too crazy. Bro, you'd have been so mad being in on that flip, trying to squeeze them extra little 5-10 pips. 5, really. Something else, his computer acting dumb.
I'm on here. I'm just on the phone. My computer acting retarded.
Yeah, that's annoying.
It's all good though.
You on Zoom on your phone or trading on your phone?
Zoom. Definitely not doing a trade on my phone.
Ask that nigga Double B. The way he be doing. Brandon Beck. That boy gonna be on that phone.
Bro, Double B can't do shit because Double B can't find his credentials on his phone. Nigga gotta get to the computer.
Double B.
This nigga here, man.
Bro, Tonio, once again, perfect tap out of resistance. Came all the way down the flip. For easy
I'm
100.
going to try it one day.
I mean, bro, you seen how much? Negative 15. See positive 100 plus, bro.
In fact, I'm going to try it tomorrow on my birthday.
Okay. Go ahead and get them birthday tips.
Happy early birthday, brother.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate
it. My phone now.
Mine on the 27th.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
February 10th. February 27th.
This shit just need to drop down, bro. Like, come on. Damn.
So would you move your stop to above this 5? I probably would cut. Well, shit, that's a 70 pip stop loss. So now, if you do break this low, you got no reason to come back up and break this high. If you're really just trying to fall, I always say, what the hell we breaking this low or breaking that high again for? All right, it's about to get us in, so be careful.
7, that'll be almost $500.
Damn, shit got close. Like
See,
dumb close. Bro, like
one makes me not want to.
Bro, mine's 24.8. That shit got like a tip. It should break it, but if it don't, I'm glad it didn't. That's that bullshit though. That be getting me in. I be mad. I be like, come on, bro. And see, if I got in on that flip entry, I probably would have gotten out at break even or close to it, got back in on a re-break. Bruh, are you serious? Man, that a stupid ass loss that would have been to take. You know what's gonna happen now though, Brandon? About to buy. After a re-break that high, I'm good on it because I like the stuff. But that definitely just grabbed them little orders from the bottom. But let's see, it might not. I'm still liking my sell if it breaks. The thought process on this, y'all, was 30-minute candle closed below this support right here. Came up perfectly to tap into here. Flip down. Nah, we can't. Flip down. And I'm anticipating when it breaks this low, you got nothing but clean ranges into here on the 30-minute candle and on the 15-minute candle, at least into here. Like at least. and it probably will be pushing further than that. But there's no reason we should stop before that at all. And I ain't just gonna be high and mighty, just be like, I ain't doing nothing too. But I really don't even want to do nothing so that, and that would be 75 pips in profit. I probably would be cool to just take my full position there, to be honest. We got 1 minute left for this 5-minute candle closure. All right, it's about to get me in, I think. Come on now. What you say, Ryder? If you gonna go.
Stop filled.
Go. All right, there you go. All right. So I'm gonna put majority of my position get taken out at 50.17. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is a drop for me, boy.
And for my full stop loss above this 5-minute candle, I suppose, or really need to go up here, but we'll see. We'll play it by ear. I'll at least throw half of my stop loss above this current 5-minute candle. And the rest, if they want to get me out, gotta get me out all the way up here.
Yeah, this is a good trade though.
I think so too. It would have been a better trade getting in up here. All right, 5-minute candle just closed. We should be good to rock, fellas. So we make this little top click on the 5. Just depend on if this 5-minute want to be on that bull or if we want to come on down. I'm gonna try to hang out on the 15-minute over here just to like not scare myself. But I really don't want this 5-minute candle to keep making highs. Just want it to really fall. So let's see, Roger. Let's test it, bro. Let's test it. See if we can really. Man, that was a great 5-minute closure too. Great 5-minute closure. Closed under. So if y'all will see this 5-minute candle close under this 5-minute support right here. So hoping that this don't got to do too much. Like I said, I got half my stop loss above the previous 5-minute candle. And if it wants to get me half out of there, that's fine. But I'm going to leave the rest running. So we'll just have to see what the 15-minute candle looks like. Like I said, unfortunately, the best entry was way the hell up here after the perfect retest. But hoping that we can come on down after we re-break our low like we're doing right now. Okay, let's see. I think we're in about 20 pip profits. Still not, I'm not doing nothing, y'all. I'm telling you, I gotta get to like something decent down here.
I mean, this should have hit my full TP.
There we go. Bro. Come on. Should we go stops at BE now? Come on.
Man,
Still in. I think we've seen about 50 so far.
it's definitely gonna hit TP though.
Yeah, bro. You're not. I mean, seen about 50, y'all. Part of me be like, go stops a BE or take something, but the other part of me just like, bro, this shit about to go. As it keeps breaking its own low too. You still in, Roger?
Yeah, but I'm getting a little nervous.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, you like two. How many? You like 7
That's still.
away from
It's got some more room to go, but I'm about to. I see a little bit more. Let's see, because we got some time left in this 15 minutes. It's about to really just keep going, but I don't like playing them games. Jumping. Come on.
That shit right there, bro.
All right.
Go down.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. There's no point.
Yeah, once it starts shaking up a little bit.
Yeah, it just hit, but it's like it's no point, bro. That was a good first trade. Good first trade. So it tapped right into this little. Let's see where I got out at. 18.7. I wanted 17.3 or 17 area, so I got it about 15 pips earlier than I would have wanted, but I caught 60 on the dot on that. So, boom, entry on the break of this low right here. Target kind of like right over here. This was that. And yeah, that was a good trade. I do think it's gonna go. I do, but bruh, at what cost? Like we be saying, bruh, at what cost?
Told you, boy, start dancing, just get out.
Yeah, bruh. Like I seen 430 go to 170. I said, all right now. Come on, bruh. Don't do that. I don't do that.
But I did move my stop loss to BE just in case.
That's true. That's true. That's true. I seen, like I said, I caught 60. I'm not mad about 60.
Yeah.
And
Man,
it's
how long
playing
is that?
right here. So
Hey, Jay,
I'm
how
never
long,
mad about
how long
securing.
does it tell you? I don't want to see it on TradingView how long the trade was.
I don't know. I wish it would tell you. Bruh, good exit. Good exit. Good exit, bruh. It ain't worth it.
I knew it wasn't going to hit that support, though.
Yeah, bruh. It was the way we saw this playing around. Man, please. I
But you
see
that-
look, I'm looking at this. I'm like, you know, it looks good. But, man, you got to go to all time frames, bro. Like, you see this wick. You see these wicks. You see this support. Like, bro,
that
what
one
you
you
trying
just
to
touched
do?
to, that wick you just touched, like the 10 candle on the left, I knew it was going to hit at least. Had to hit that.
That's what I'm
Look at that
saying.
strong
That's why I was
rejection.
like, because it's such a fine line. It's like, do I try to get that extra 15 pips, or do I just take what's on the table?
Go for another trade.
Exactly.
And now the next trade, you can go a little lower.
Yeah. I mean, and at that point, I need this to come on down. Like, I need it to feel all like, bro, next trade got to be way down. Like,
I really should be done today, but I'm trying to hit my max today. I ain't gonna lie.
you got 2 accounts. You could go on another account. Just leave that account alone. That's what I be doing. That's why I got them groups, because it allows me to divvy up that risk. Like, for example, this account just hit 422. I made 422, 1232, 1232, 833, and 412 on that. So at that point, them accounts over with. Like, I'm cool. Good on them accounts.
Instead of using my agent, using on the agent time.
Oh, man. Bruh, look at that. Look at that exit, bruh. Ooh. I don't got it in me. Right? And yeah, you don't gotta just limit it strictly to Asian unless you wanted to. Unless you just wanted to. Or you can go real low. I don't know how much you just hit for on that though.
370.
And you can make, can't you make 385? No. That's the one you can make 600, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's tough. Because it's, bruh, that stupid ass Thursday night. You always look back and woulda, coulda, shoulda. Always, bruh.
I'm almost back in my 1,000.
He was at 2, y'all. Oh man, that's funny. It's all good though. At least we can laugh about it. Bruh. That was a really good trade, y'all. E-time. Is there gonna be a day that we can catch this entry and hold it all the way to this support?
Yes.
I told you I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Bro, look at the risk. It's so little. You saw from minus 15 to smack for 180.
I'm trying it tomorrow on the fresh account.
Bruh. Even if you took half your position right here, let the rest run, bruh, it was just straight green for the rest of, bruh. You tapped it and never came back close. It hit it, came back up a little bit, and just fell out bottom.
I think this is the best way to go, because you can just go on another trade. Like, we just hit 360 on the first trade, and it's only before 9 o'clock.
Bruh, I'm telling you. And then that's why I'm going to another set of accounts. And bro, you know what felt good though? It felt good not panicking no matter what the dollar amount was because of the lower risk. Because, bro, you know us, bro. We was throwing ones like it wasn't nothing. And at that point, it's just like, bro, you see negative 60, negative 50, sweating. I had my little 7. I think the most I saw was like negative 100. Like 15, 14 pips, 13 pips. I will say though, the spreads being back normal is way better. That shit's scary when your spread's as high as hell.
Man, what? It would have
Bruh,
been.
you got 10, 11 pip spreads. What the fuck you gonna do with that? You getting in negative.
It would have been got us in.
Bruh. There you go. Stop, break even hit if you were still in. Right, now it's about to get nasty. About to start doing that bullshit. That really was halfway Antonio play because it tapped into support, came down first, and then rebroke his high. But the new Antonio play is about to be that sell limit at the resistance. It's too sweet. Bruh, think about the price action of that though, y'all. There was no bottom wick on this 30-minute candle, and it opened straight up for 100. What the hell did we expect to happen? All it did was tap it, flip. But I'm thinking that the next trade is at what, 9 minimum? I don't see no reason that I'm getting in nothing right now. Unless you forced, quote unquote, Antonio play of opening straight up and then trying to take it down. I ain't doing all that. Nah, I'm good on that right now. That was 1 5-minute candle too that we just was in. That's why that shit's so nice, bro. 422 times 3. 422 times 3. 1266. 405 times 3. 1215. Good trade. Antonio said it too. He's like, it's definitely gonna hit that. And it did right after I got out. But like I said, I'm cool on them extra little 10 pips, 15 pips.
Like literally right after.
Bruh, I'm good. I am straight. I'd have made an extra little 70. That's fine. Maybe 84. I sent something to y'all on Instagram. As Roger was talking about how we was usually trying to catch 30, 40, 50. He's like, bruh, size down and just accommodate for them stop losses now, bruh. There's no point putting on all that risk. It's no point. Just that range alone. From there to the 15-minute next range was 100, bruh.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you crazy if you throwing high, bro. They are literally outlawing trading GC right now on some prop firms. I know niggas just blowing it.
2 good trades better than 1.
Bruh. 2 good trades a day, bruh. 2 good trades a day. That is not too much to ask for.
Damn, I wish you told us how long, but I wanted to know. They didn't even seem that long.
I'm about to go look. I can look on Trading View. I'm gonna make sure. All right. So this is how you do it. I'm gonna show it on TradeOvate right now. So on TradeOvate, be clicking the top right here. That's where all your stats are for the day. So boom. Then it's your performance. Today, 2-9. Go. 3 minutes, 42 seconds.
You see?
3 minutes.
That's not bad, bro. 3 minutes.
3 minutes, bro. Almost 4. No sweat.
With no stress.
No sweat. Like, again, went in profit about 15, came negative about 15. Then we let it drop for about 60 to 80. Got that money, and that was it. That was it. So, I'm cool on that. Max run up was 422. I could secure that 405. So 2 pips later, whatever. So I'm cool with that. I can work with that. I can work with that. You know what's so funny, bro? Back in the day on Apex, bro, if I took that trade, I would literally have to get up from the desk and not think about the charts for the rest of the day. Because back in the day, that's when I used to copy trade all of my accounts at once. So the most I ever made on a profit was 7. So I would copy trade 7 accounts at one time. So, bro, I would take that trade and I would literally have to close my computer out, shut it down. So I didn't do no dumb shit.
I'm talking about shut it down.
Bruh, it's so easy to do the dumb shit when you, I mean, bruh, because I used to trade thousands when you could trade twos.
That's true.
Now I would try to hit for 400 to 600 a day. So between 20 and 30 a day. So no matter if I made 420, no matter if I made 560, no matter if I hit for 600, bro, I would exit that, click X, turn that shit off every single day. And I hit for 10K on my first and 14K on my second. Bro, I felt like him.
That's facts though. Especially with no lockout button.
Bruh. Because the thing about TRADECOPIA is, in Apex, if you want to group trade, like I said, you got to make a group. So, like I be telling Brandon, you got to go to manage groups and then add and then make a group like that. And then if you got, say, 4 accounts, you got to do whatever 7 MGC times 4 is. So I would have to throw a 28. And bruh, I would be in there like eyes glued to the screen. I'm telling you, just like you be talking about. Eyes glued. Eyes glued to the screen, boy. Bro, that's a great way to start a Monday, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want. No sweat, no stress. We're gonna see what else do we got. We're gonna see what else we got.
Yeah, fuck, I'm just going to my other account.
That's what I mean. I don't know. It just depends. Like, are you trying to nickel and dime your way back? Or are you trying to like go ahead and go for the gusto? Because if you're trying to go for the gusto, you kind of do need to keep on trading that account. Like, you lost as much as you lost in that one day. $300 days ain't gonna get it back quickly. But if you're willing to wait, then at that point, you cool.
Yeah, I guess it just depends on the setup.
Yeah. Like if you just willing to go 350, 300, 400, them type days to get it back, that's cool. But if you trying to go ahead and minimize them days and get back half of what you lost real quick or a third of what you lost real quick, you got to just go ahead and keep going. But I mean, it's a good problem to have though. Are we really got
like 200 left?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like at that point, you damn near throwing a 4 or a 5 or 40. And that's not hard to come by. And then say you lose 50, you still up for the day on the account 150. You know what I'm saying? It's just like you really in the driver's seat. You really in the driver's seat. Like you up you said 380?
Yeah.
Yeah, like say you threw a 4 for minus 50. Like, okay, you lost 200 and then you still up 189. You still can throw another trade of your normal risk and still end up over 400. Or you can just take that 200 home for today. Like, there's a whole bunch of ways to play. That's why I kind of like we be saying, starting out that first trade with a W is a lot different. Because now, if I wanted to max out in the day, say I was continuing to trade that account I just hit for 422 on or 405 on. Like at that point, if I want to max out for the 600, I can go down to that's 180. Like you said, a 4, like a 4 for 50 or a 4 for 45, and just see what happened. And if I lost 50 pips, whoop-de-doo. I bet that I would make 50 before I lost 50. I just didn't make it. I'm still up on a day, and if I took another trade, I still could hit. Them micros change the game.
Especially if you close down below.
Yeah, I don't love where we are right now, but I also don't hate it. Like, what you think about like if a 30-minute closes like this and a 1 hour closes like this? Do you think that it's still gonna fill this wick on out? Closure under here. Closure under here. 15-minute closing. Bullish though. Does that worry you? Is that a different story, or is a 30 in the 1 hour gonna supersede the 15-minute anyway? That's what we gotta ask ourselves. I don't love how this 30-minute is closing. I don't like that. Bullish or bearish, I don't like that. Like even if it closed like this, that's just a rejection out of this wick. And what happened the last time we did that, we just started flying up. So if this candle does close bearish under, I do anticipate it doing something like this, like coming down a little bit, but I don't know if it's going to just fill it all the way out. We'll see. We'll definitely see. If this green candle closes back above, I'm cool on missing this range. I'm good on that. I'd rather just wait till above here. I'd rather wait on that than trying to squeeze in here with all these different stories being told up in here. Like, it can reject right there. It can reject right there. It can reject out of here. Like, I'm going to just probably be waiting on 9:15. We have to get back into that mode of, bro, if that was our one trade for today, that was our one trade for today. I just know it's hard. It's hard with all this volume to justify that. I do understand that, but it's just like, yeah, bro, this is a horrible closure. Ew. 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, y'all might as well go ahead and get ready for 9:30. Hell no.
It got to get out of range for me, bro.
Yeah, exactly. We got that 30-minute closure below and a perfect top wick with no bottom. Enter on the break of the previous. Bro, yeah. And that's why I'll be like, bro, because it would have been nice getting in right there, but at what cost, bro? It was so small. Such a small difference. 5 seconds.
That's what I'm trying to hold for like 40.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. All right. I do anticipate when this flips. It's a perfect Tonio play, y'all. This is the perfect Tonio play. 30-minute candle close, respecting up into here. I'm good. I'm just good on it right now. But I'll paper trade it though, just to watch it play out if it wants to play out. I see. I don't want no drawdown. 0. But let's see what it do. It opened straight down after the 1 hour and the 30-minute respected this support right here. I will say, I do love my Tonio play, but it's a bit different when you trying to hold for a little bit longer with lower lot sizes. We was able to take the Tonio play because we was holding for like 15 to 20 and you was getting what you needed real quick. But when you trying to like really hold, it's a little harder to justify it. Like I said, this wasn't bad though because of how this closed. But it's moving though. It's definitely moving. So right there would have been about 40 on the dot. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Just with the way that it like opened straight down after. I didn't realize that it was about to respect like this on the 1 hour. I didn't even realize that. But it's all good though. Like I said, I'd rather just wait till we get above here rather than playing this pinball game. But when it respected though, when it respected, it definitely did its thing. So, at worst, go stop loss to break even right now. On the flip entry, would have been up about currently right around 50. Damn, that wasn't a bad play in hindsight. Like I said, I was more so looking at the 15-minute, but I didn't realize that the 1 hour was about to close respecting this support right here. I didn't realize that. If I would have seen that with a straight opening down after a 15-minute candle had a wick to fill, that'd have been a little different. Just because of putting all them pieces together. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. I be forgetting y'all.
Yeah, bro. Let's get a good green week, man.
Man, just easy every day. 2 50, 60, 70 pip trades a day. How big was that stop loss? Yeah, I would have used a too small of a stop. Well, not too small, but I would have used too small of a position size. Not really. But like on something like this is where you can use like a 8 or a 9 if you wanted to, or at least a 7 or 8. Because that was only 50. It feels good holding for what you're risking though. Like we used to just say, bro, fuck it. Like I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna just try it. I don't care if the real stop loss is 80 pips away. I'm gonna just throw it at 25 and go for the best. Like it's like, bro, at what point is it just like, bro, fuck that?
I lost at 80. Of course, that shit might touch 25. Shit.
Or, like I be saying, when it gets you in and it just do a little quick 25 pip fluctuation, that's not supposed to be getting you out. Like that trade, for example, I saw negative like 12, 13 max. But, bruh, we be seeing sometime negative 20, negative 30, and it just fly back right. I'm like, man, with all this volume, I see why.
Yeah, I think like 40, 50 is a good.
Yeah,
good
with this volume and the right size. Like, say you throw a 6 for 40, negative 40, negative 50. That's only minus 240, bro. Like, that kills nobody. Damn. That was a decent little Tonio play. Oh, shit. Damn. Bro, this shit gets to moving so fast. It was just negative. And all it did was retest the same area again. It came down. You can go to the 1 minute candles. Drop. Flew up. Imagine that support and resistance game. That Tonio sport he gonna be playing tomorrow on his birthday. You ain't playing that. Here go Antonio play for you. If you wanted to squeeze. I'm not squeezing shit no more, bro. I can't. Them days are over with. Oh yeah, you seen about 60 plus right now, y'all. Like on that flip of that entry. You seen 50 came down negative, then broke it again. But I don't know. I'd either caught my 50, 40, and that'd have been it, or I'd have hit break even on that. That's another thing, Roger, that's hard to like determine with the size lots that we're trading. How many is enough to be okay with the win? Like if you trading a 6 and you hit for 30, like 180 is cool, but like, bro, that ain't even a third of what you had to make or what could have made on the day. I guess it is anything towards a private target is good, but it's just like, what are you okay with walking away from for the day?
Me personally, at least 300. Shit. If I gotta go in another trade again to try and get that.
Like if you go up 50 and it come back 30, are you cutting it or are you just leaving that, letting it rock?
You said go 50 and come back 30, like pass.
Come back 230.
Yeah. We've been seeing it, bro. The way this is moving, it will go up 50, come back 30, and then go back on it.
Yeah. It just depends on if you're willing to sit in it. Like, for example, like if you was gung-ho on hold until you got up into this area, you would have came up 50, down 20, and up 60, and then now down again. It's just like, bro, what you really like? What you trying to do?
I see a lot of podcasts, but they say just having stop loss, just put it there. If it hit it, hit it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Or go in a trade looking with a number in mind you want to lose.
Yeah, it sucks, but you never want to like turn a winning day into a losing day. It's just stupid.
Yeah.
It's just stupid.
But typically, if I see that shit up 50 and it's coming down like that, man, I'm gonna call that shit.
What we was both saying? Hey, bro, it's playing around.
I don't give a damn. They give me a $30 profit.
Nothing like it start playing around. You like, oh, and it hit it, and it hit my TP right after. I said, nah, I'm good. I'll take that on the chin. I am, let's see, $870 away from payout on TRADECOPIA. So I need to just go ahead and be safe. Now, see, look, bro, you just gotta be patient. Like, it's gonna hit it. It's just like, how long you willing to wait on it? It ain't even been 10 minutes. It's about to tap this my area. Yep, there we go. 71 pips. Crazy. Up 50, negative 20, up 50. Or up, sorry, 70. Ugh.
Yeah, bruh.
What you got to say, T-Time?
Just, yeah, how long you willing to wait?
How long, bro? How long you willing to wait? Like, if you had a 52 pip stop loss, so it's like price really never gave you a reason to get out ever. If you wait on closures, 5-minute candle came up, came down, but closed back strong bullish above this resistance, This candle just filling the range out. But how long were you willing to wait on that? On a 1 micro? Yeah, for sure. But when you start trading like 7s and you see that 350 turn to negative 100, you like, bro, fuck. It ain't nothing like seeing plus 50 turn to negative anything. Because I've been there. That was a perfect Tonio play, bro. Fuck. I said I wasn't going to take nothing because I was looking at the 15 and I was looking at all this bullshit. But, bro, when I seen that this 1 hour candle close respecting here, this candle wick straight down with no top wick, bro, that's the money. That's the money. And I don't know about a hell for 70, but I did some of my little 50. I think I'd like to think so. Oh no, there go your entry again. 50. Go ahead, catch them birthday pips, bro. Every time.
I told you, I'm gonna do it.
But you going one MGC?
No.
Gee, no.
Not going 1 MGC.
So now you too good to make a little $50, $60 consistently. But let niggas get a job and we'll work for a little 15, 20.
It's
crazy.
Fair.
We crazy. Oh man. Trading is not real, bro. It's not real life. That's why I can't wait to just like really eat the way I know we gonna eat. Because bro, we just hit for that 60. Imagine Raja on his 100 lots making 60K real quick. Bro, Raja stole 150 lots. Look at that 5-minute candle still just killing this wick on out. That's so crazy. Let's see, 9:15 up is approaching. I don't even like where we're at in general, bro. Like, honestly, I'm gonna go and get this.
Even if it close below, this is a 15, like support right there.
Yeah, like I feel the buy, but I see some bullshit happening, bro. Like, you got this resistance right here, you got that resistance right there that is obviously tapped into, and then you got this resistance up here. I don't know. Like I said, I'm trying to avoid pissing myself off these days. I like clear closures below with a nice wick up, retesting, and coming down to the next support. But what do I know? Like I said, I'm $800 away, or $870. Let's see, whatever 159 minus 158123. 159 minus 158.
Yeah, you definitely need A+ setups now.
877. I'm $877 away. So I'm wondering if I should lower my risk and just know it's coming, or if I just go ahead and get that bit. Probably lower my risk for real. Because we already
agree with that.
Bruh, you already trying to catch, you know what I'm saying, more. The worst thing to do is get to that profit target and get close. Bro. How many times, bruh? How many times has it been to where we've done that dumb shit? But I don't mind it. Like if I just traded a 21 micro, technically, because I traded a 7 micro on my 50K account. So I did a multiple of 3. So with that being said, if I traded a 21 micro, I would need like 40 something pips still. So that's on par. That's on par. I like that little 7. That 7 is cool. That 6 is cool. It's really respecting the fuck out of this. Antonio, there you go again. Same play. I've been 3 times today. Same area. Just tapping it. Right here. First time. Right here. Second time. Right here. Third time. Area every time you want it. In this instance, you could have used the last 5-minute candle. I just said whatever. I'm gonna have it right here. 30 pip stop. Came down for about 50, 40, 50. I'm assuming you don't like this closer either, Roger.
No. Like we're right in the middle of a range. Like,
bruh. Shit. And then I see Antonio play formulating. I don't know if I want to piss myself off today. I get too scary when I take that play, bro. That last play was perfect just because of how the 1 hour closed.
Yeah.
That's why it was like, damn, I didn't realize it because I thought it was gonna close doji. I didn't realize it was about to close like really respectful.
Yeah, I can't do no Antonio plays like that. I'll be holding, man.
Exactly. If you hold, bruh, because you technically go in the opposite direction. That's the thing. Like if you get in this buy right here, you ain't holding but up here max. Because at any time, this could be the top flip, the price will flip down. So that's why, like, when we was trying to go for 15 to 20 to 25 back in September, October, cool. Like, yeah, definitely. Bro, you trying to hold for 50, 60, 70 now because that's it's damn near guarantee that 50 is coming on anything you take. So like you really, or it should be a guarantee, as I should say. Because if I throw my 7 and I make 22 pips, I'm not gonna be very happy making $154 or 150. You know what I'm saying? Or if I want 50, I know I can max out at 600. Me trying to make 150. That's I don't even count as a trading day on Perdia. It's too little of a profit. And so that's just my observation from it. Like, I love the Antonio play and I love what it's for, but this ain't the market conditions for it right now unless you sizing up and willing to just cut that shit like we used to.
Yeah, I only like it once it hits a rejection.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Like this. Like, we rejected out of this and respected this. And it's open straight down. Like, bruh, that was good. That was good. But like I said, and I don't even know how to manage it, bro. Like I said, it went up 50, came back down to break even. I don't think I would have held for plus 50 to 0. I mean, maybe I would have. I don't know. Really don't know. I doubt it. Like this close to payout? Nah, I'm good. That's another thing that I've been noticing. When you get too close to payout, the last thing you need to be doing is taking losses on winning trades. You know what I'm saying? It's like if you up 25, right, that's stop loss. Damn, you go to break even. The worst you can do is lose. If you hit break even, it's like, okay, damn, it went in my favor after, but man, don't let that 25, 30 turn to negative 40, and now you got to make 2 days of perfect. Like, it's stupid. I need $877 for payout. Bro, if I see positive 25 on this next trade that I take, I'd be crazy to let it go negative. Consider I need one more good trade that just does what that one did.
Yeah.
That's it. Bro, I ain't gonna lie though, I do miss the days of when we was only trying to catch 25. I miss it.
We'll be done max at 8:30.
Bruh. So that trade, that stop loss was about 40, 35 max. Man, you would see a little 25 to 30 and call it a day. Because all we was using was a 20, 25 pip stop. Bro, we was using 20 pip stops, y'all. How great is that? Hell. And I say was, like I wasn't doing it last week. One thing about me though, I learned my lesson, bro. I ain't doing that shit.
Once I get over 2,000, I ain't doing no damn ones. I promise you.
He's gonna slow play it.
Man, what? Tired of that shit happening.
Bro, you just shooting yourself in the foot, bro. That's stupid. Stupid, bro. It made me mad. Almost at a payout. Gonna do some dumb shit.
See what 930 can do for us, though.
Yeah, I got some faith. I feel like I said, bro. And I'll say it again. I've been feeling good. Been feeling good on the charts, and that's like damn near the most important thing. Like it's been so many just stupid things happening that has not been out of my control. Like, bro, we finally back to 2 and 3 pip spreads over here, y'all. Like, why are we celebrating being back to 2 and 3 pip spreads? Bro, we was playing with 12 and 14 pip
Damn,
spreads.
they got that high?
Bro, you would get in on a 3 and be negative 360 to 420 off the muscle.
Yeah. Told you, bro, it would get me out before I even see a number. I think everybody on TradeCopia now. No more Project X.
Yeah, or either that or it was real close. The end of I think it was the end of February, if I'm not mistaken. It's just, I mean, I'm glad I caught Roger's message today, bro, because he said it. He's like, bro, just size down. There's no point. There's no point right now, bro. You still making good money on the size that we trade in.
3-4 minutes,
bro. 4 minutes to make 422 on a 50K and 1,200 on a 150K. Like what? By the way, this Tonio playing out again. 50 plus again. I'm telling you, bro. In this instance, this candle had barely anything of a bottom wick. Pushed all the way up, breaking these highs, now breaking down again. Yeah, that was a good play, Brandon. You on challenge account, thank you. You copying or just going one at a time? Just the one, yeah. Was that the account that you had that you was $200 away from drawdown on, or from blowing it on, or did you just start a fresh one after blowing it on? Bro, I seen 3 Tonio plays today, or two. Different down. I bought 2. Okay. I was talking to my homeboy yesterday, and we've basically come to the realization: if you're gonna focus on challenge accounts, bro, you just got to take a week from the market of trying to make money on a live account or an instant account. The thought process behind it is just so much different. Like the thought process behind a challenge account is, bro, I need $3,000 and I got a 50% consistency rule. Bro, I'm either make 1,500 or close to it, or I'm gonna lose, 1,000 or 1,200. You just got to go high risk, high reward, because them challenges be so cheap. We already paid $300 for instant funding accounts. You pay $70 for a challenge account. At that point, you got 5 chances to pay what we pay for in one account. You might as well just go for the gusto pretty much every trade.
True.
So that's why I'm like, if I'm gonna do that, I gotta just spend 3, 4, 5 days doing that. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm focused on. But if I go from that thought process to my live process to the instant process, it's just too much to be thinking about. I'm not trying to think while I'm in trades, bro. Like, I'm really not. I just want to simply
You gotta feel
execute
numb.
upon my plan. And that's why the instants are cool as well, for the peace of mind of not having to think about that. Like, in a perfect world, you hit for 3 accounts in 3 tries, and you only spent $210. But it's very easy, Brandon, as you know, to get into blowing accounts, buying more another account, blowing account, passing one, going, like, it's just a lot. Like, and while you might save $100 or $200 at the end of it all by doing challenge accounts, it's like, if you don't got a plan going into it, you're gonna spend the same amount damn near, or just $100, $200 off. And is it really worth your peace of mind? That's what you just gotta come to an understanding of. Definitely. But definitely no right and wrong to it at all. And another thing, if you kind of fucked up on bread a little bit, that's also another way to stay in the game, by going in and not having to spend $300. Get you a little account for $70 and trade it, and it's so what it is, bro. You got to pass a challenge. Okay. But we be acting like them 3, 4, 5 days to pass a challenge just the end of the world. Bro, you hit for $1,000 3 days in a row. There it is. If you blew it, you lost $70. If you hit, you made, or you got an account for $70. But that's definitely a good way to just stay in the game for sure. Them instants are real good as far as just keeping you honest. But, bro, it's not fun blowing them instants either. When you blow a challenge, it's not right, but you damn near be like, $70 for end all in the world. I'm gonna be right back. Be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. So we look like we closed. Dang, bro. Do we even like this closure? Bro, I don't know if I do. Look at where we closing at.
I got close above that. Come on.
I mean, look at the 15 minute. I'm ready for a Antonio play. Anticipating that if it closes respecting this and has to make a bottom wick after making a top wick, I do think it would come down back into here. Ooh, shit. Look at this opening.
Oh, no.
Nah. It might. It definitely might with all the volume. When that shit get jumpy like that, bruh, I'll let it do what it do. All right. So whoever got in on the flip would have been in profit, didn't break the high. Bro, that's a fat ass stop loss too. On the reflip, bro, that's 75, so nothing crazy, but like, what you going for? You going for that range right there, right here, 50. You'd have got it. Damn, bro.
It ain't look good to me though. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, it looked good.
930.
It's jumpy, bro. Jumpy. I mean, you would have called your 50. That's what you was after.
Yeah,
50 on a dot, 70-ish pip risk. I probably would have threw another 7. I just don't like where it's at. It's so much volume right now, bro. WWTD. Antonio taking that. That's the question. I ain't gonna lie though. When this had no bottom, with no top wick, that's when it looked good though. Just like trusting 930. What we said, get 930 tatted on you, damn near.
Yeah, it's only 930 that would have.
Exactly. Like that's the only, because I'm looking at this resistance right here. I'm looking at the 15 minute, how it closed under this resistance right here. It's just a lot of like, but then when it came and tapped this perfectly, and then rebroke. This is what I'll be wanting to hold for though. Like all this. And I know I would have got out right here. But I would love to hold for all that, bro. That'd be so nice. Ugh. I mean, bro, you was right at a resistance too, from there to there. This is weird. This shit is just tapped our little area right there and just has been flying up ever since. So let's see. I mean, next trade.
You and Antonio get ready for the daily high,
man. I'll leave that at tea time, bro. I'll leave that to him. I know that's his play. So who am I? Trying to take my brother's play.
Yeah, okay, buddy. I might not take it.
And then with these low ass lots too. Man.
Cause last week the daily high was working. Last week the daily high was definitely working.
Do it. Try it.
Nigga said try it.
Just try it out.
Man, if I got to do today with 370, I'm okay.
Yeah, under normal circumstances, that's good. But all of a sudden today, because it's that get back. I don't know. Tonio, what you think about that? I know Roger gave his 10 cents. What you think about that? Candle closed below on a 15-minute resistance, technically still in a range. 30-minute candle opened straight down, no top wick, but it was 930. It retested this, and it blasted off. I mean, Do you put your faith in the 930? Or do you say, bro, fuck that? Like, we got a resistance that we close respecting.
Yeah.
It looked good after the fact.
It could go hit that resistance and that 930 volume can fly right back down to your stop.
Yeah, I don't know. It looked good after the fact, though.
Bro, we've seen it too many times. It did it. It literally did it and played around a little bit, and then it just got going. But, man, I mean, bro, like the same way it did it, just like this. It's the same way it could have done it again. I don't know. Like,
I don't know.
That's a resistance. That's where it tapped into. That's how low it came after the fact.
Yeah, I can't call it.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather just see it. He said daily high play does look sweet, given how far we. Here you go, Brandon. Brandino.
Just calm down all the way. Shit.
Yeah, I'm damn near with you, Roger. On a Friday. No, sorry, on a Monday. I just don't like when I don't have a great read on it. Like, because if you look at the 30-minute only, which does supersede the other time frame, which is the 15, you did close outside this range. And it's 9:30 and it had no top wick. It came down and perfectly tap into like this area and that area and this area. But you did still close respecting this. Yeah, bro. Nah, I'm good. I ain't gonna cry over that spill. There's no point. There's no point. Like I said, when this candle right here closed below this support, there was no question of where I thought that bitch was going after it broke. I don't want to question it because I don't got to. I don't got to. I do want to log a trading day for these accounts, but we'll see what it comes down to. Oh, Antonio, is that another resistance area you could have had a sell limit at, brother? You ain't gonna do it, bro.
I mean, yeah.
You ain't gonna do it. That shit rushing up and you just throwing that little sell. Can't hold it for too long though. You gotta hold it from the next support or to the next support and resistance. Or resistance to here or here. Damn, I don't want to see no red. None. 0.
I need this shit to come down, bro.
You're telling me.
Man, we are literally in the range.
Yeah. Like I said, I keep on calling out these Tonio plays, but I don't want to get in and some Tonio play be on some dumb shit. That's what I know.
What's the probability? 3 of them went right?
Man. And a 75% win rate will be amazing. But what I don't want to feel today is the 25. After we done seen it go right. Perfectly. Perfect. And then I don't know. I shouldn't think this way, but I do be halfway thinking this way. I'm like, bro, if I done called out the moves that have gone right, what are the odds that when I do get in it, that it does do some dumb shit and just go opposite? Like I said, that's a little negative, but it's just realistic. It's just like you done seen what it looks like of going right. Cause you know how much I would love to go downstairs right now. Say fuck all this shit. Promise you. We got 5 minutes left for this closure. This closure about to close bearish. 15-minute candles potentially about to close bullish, but are we trying to squeeze between here and here? 60 pip range? Maybe. No. Like I said, Brandon, my devil on the shoulder, but Roger, you my angel on the shoulder now. Antonio is too. He been that though. Brandon talking about some breaking a daily high don't look bad. Nigga, yes it does. Yes, it does. Every time. It's horrible. Looks horrible.
Oh, shit.
Brandon be tripping.
I'm telling you, bro, when you get in that desperation mode, you just start thinking crazy. We done called out all these moves today. And all we got to do is sit on our... Bro, if we walk away today, we walk away with 160 pip move. And we over here like, damn, I want to catch something else. Bro, NQ is going crazy. I'm looking at it. Bro, that's why I can't trade this shit, bro. Like, look at this. Breaking that low. All down 320.
Bro, where the hell is Brady coming back?
Huh?
When the hell is Brady coming back?
I don't know. He be getting on. He don't start till 9:30. I'm gonna text him. Be like, hey, get your ass back on the live. He said, walk away then. No, I ain't caught my trade. I ain't caught my second trade yet. Yeah, they are up. I'm up on one set of accounts. These accounts down here have been untouched. 0 daily P&L. These are looking good. 405, 1230, 830, 1230, 412. But these are untouched. So I'm on to play. I want to play a little bit. Play the game. 3 to 5. Yo, cousin never hit me back yesterday, Brandon. I texted on the side. I don't know if they were just spooked on day one, if they good now.
Now that the spread's back to normal, hopefully everybody can come back.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I mean, the spreads are back to normal, bro. 2 and 3 pips. So, hope everybody willing to, like you said, come on back. What's going on in this next little? Bro, look at this. Crazy.
There's just so many wicks, bro. That should be it.
Yeah. What is it? I just don't like trying to squeeze that shit, bro. Like, squeeze it from here to here. And with all them wicks, like you saying, like, what you trying to catch? 20? 25?
Nah. Okay.
Bruh, the thing, what I'm looking at right now is a Tonio play. If we close respecting this resistance, that's what I'm looking at. If we close above, bruh, I'm cool. I'm good on that. And why is this doing this on a 5? And that's what's so crazy, bro.
Sure.
Think about getting down here. You just stop loss at break even, just smiling. Up 160 from that entry down there. That's how folks be catching them 1 to 2s, 2 to 1s, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, bro. I think we give it till 10, Roger. If we can go ahead and get above here or get a Antonio play. Granted, even if I got a Antonio play from here, I wouldn't even want to take it because I would anticipate that it rejects out of this. So I can't hold it for too long. If it closes under here, I would anticipate it come down into here. But if it closes up in here, I would only anticipate it coming into this resistance that it's at or above. So yeah, bro, close above. I mean, this is exactly what you want. That's what I'm talking about. You want this, and you want it to flip, but you don't know if this is gonna flip and come down here, kiss it, continue up, or fall the hell out. At this point, I damn near just want a red candle, like to just close under, back under here. See? Turn red, back green. There you go. Turn red again. If this can close back beneath here in the next, say, 15-minute candle, which would be the, bruh, you be seeing it, bruh. You can't call it. Let's see. Be mad when I take my little money to the bank. They gonna be mad. It's the devil talking. That's what I be saying. I'm always hella zoomed in. Well, let's zoom out. What are we doing? We ain't even doing it. I be zoomed in like a bitch, but bruh, you're not even doing nothing above here or in here. Unless you're just playing a support and resistance game, like Tonio said he gonna start doing. Tony, we about
you though. If they come back down on the 15, that's like that sell.
Yeah, exactly. Because we near the daily high. So what happened the other times that we closed back below this resistance right here? So we can actually close below it. I'm cool. I'm willing to take that. But if we just trying to call the bottoms and shit, and call the tops, but I know Tonio getting ready to take 5068.7. 5068.7 is the daily high. So Tonio, let me know how that worked out. When you get in there.
He's gonna put a 1 micro.
Brother.
He said, these niggas not listening.
Brother. Antonio might not ever take another day high.
We said it though. We was like, we'll use it to our advantage. But we never gonna enter on the break.
Hey, Tony, I like that though, because it keep me from not wanting to do it.
Bruh.
Yeah, bruh.
Bruh, that was just funny because Tonio was the first one to stop it, and Roger just kept questioning it, and he was like, bruh, I don't know why we keep taking this shit. Tonio all out here was, hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I
ain't gonna lie. I'm never taking that shit again.
Bro, we can look at it play out 11 times, and I'm still gonna look at it.
I blew my first account like that.
Bruh, you just you just asking for that account to get smacked one day. Boy, you have no stop loss. It's just, nigga, like I said, you never buy nothing at the high of nothing. Shoes, houses, whips. You always trying to catch a deal. The good buy was down here and here. Why the hell am I gonna enter up here with all these wicks? Bro, I already know what's going on. And the thing is, it plays out after the fact. That's the worst part about it all. It just had to play with you first. Damn. Roger, this is about to close above on the 1 hour potentially, or under. That's why I got 11 more minutes. And then after that, I ain't going to try to force nothing.
The Monday too.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. laying back in my chair. Roger, when you starting work today?
I work from home today.
What time you clocking in? I'm starting. Where you on the clock now?
And okay.
We could stay on till 10:15, but I mean, if we're not breaking out of this range, then we ain't doing nothing. Because then, like I be saying, it's like even if I held until, or even if I got a Tonio play, I would need to close like up here to take advantage of down into here.
Mm-hmm.
I can't, and you got to be right at that resistance, like this one was, or right at that support, like this one was, right above it, or right below it. If you close down here, right, that shit can easily just tap right off of, where is it? I think it's like a 15-minute. Yeah, it is 15-minute resistance right here. It could come on down, but it also could tap
At
right
what
here.
cost?
At what cost? At what cost? I threw that 7 and made $420, bro. I ain't trying to throw no 7 and make 150. 200. You gotta think, even on a 30 pips on a 7, it's still only $200, bro. Like, you're not really doing nothing with that. At what cost? You on the age tonight, Roger?
We don't see, man.
Bruh. I'm too scared.
I'm up like 300 on that right now.
He got right in it after he took it. Bro, that was so
I'm
funny.
talking about as soon as I bought it.
Bruh. Execute.
And that was the thing. I didn't even think twice about it. Just win it. I saw a good look. Boom. I didn't even do too much.
It's so funny, like the more we like start thinking and talking about this trading shit, we be really debating taking these trades like somebody got a gun up to our head, bro. We be like, bruh, I don't know. I'm like, bro, ain't nobody making us do a damn thing. We could be just sitting right here, cooling it. We over here 380 plus up. Over here bitching. Nasty. Bro, this shit flipping back green. Bro, I need a whole closure above all this for me to take it. Bro, I tapped right into the damn resistance the first time. So what the fuck I look like taking an entry up in there, anywhere near it? You got 6 minutes. I know the 1 hour is about to close above, though. I will say that. But I want it above all of it. All of it. Use these wicks as a advantage point. 40, 50, even hold for Tonio's daily high play. And that's what I think is going to, play out. It's like I said, bro, we come back later, bro, this shit going to be all the way up here.
Yep.
It's gonna be all the way up there, and we're gonna be like, bro, how we take a loss? How we take a loss? It might do it though.
Close
Might
above.
do it. Yeah, I wanted to close above everything, and if it closes above everything, that's something I'm willing to do. I'm talking about all up, close all up here if you want to. 5-minute candle just closed. Let's see what it want to do, bro. I just don't want to get in after it done ran so much, bro. We seen it. We got out down here, bro. It done ran up 500 since then. 450.
I just look on the 5-minute, bro. That shit just
Bro. It was takeoff time, man.
like damn.
Antonio,
That shit not gonna come
Antonio,
down.
buy or sell off resistance again. Same shit. Different day. I got faith that my boy gonna do it too. I don't know how many trades today he gonna do. I don't know what his risk on loss is gonna be like. But bruh, when it taps them resistances, that shit gets all in, bruh. 93 right there. This one tapped it perfectly. 95 right there. Like, bruh, it just it's in all it's in all. Then this one, I remember that one. So 100, so 150. Gotta figure out what you want to risk for it.
It's a
I
5-minute
don't
resistance.
know, bro.
Are we
What'd you say?
5-minute resistance? Are we worried about that?
Not a 5 really, because you got to think on the sell that we took. I entered right here, and there was a 5-minute support right there. But I wouldn't. I don't really be worried about 5 minutes. The 15s, I look a little bit. I do. There's a reason that all these candles closed below here. They respected it. But who am I to think that all of a sudden now we just about to take off? Give me that closure above and we'll talk business. Ooh. Mm-hmm.
No, bro. I'm trying to get a little scared.
I don't know, bro. I don't like it that much. It's like it's weird because like if this 1 hour closes below here, it's not bad technically because it's closing respecting all these 1 hours right there. If it closes above there but below the 15, like we be saying, bro, it's too many stories.
Mm-hmm.
There's too many untold stories. Like, is it gonna wick down, get you in, go in about 15, 20 pip profit and fall the hell out like all these other wicks have done? Or is it gonna finally just, since it actually closed above these resistances, is it actually gonna just tap them, fill this wick on out and come up into these wicks? But like I said, this might be just a day that a Monday where I sat my ass down for an hour and a half. I executed my one trade that I saw where I had no questions on, and that might be the day.
Yeah, bro.
And I'm not mad at that if that is the day. There's just too many untold stories, bro. We got to turn over a new leaf one day. Either we gonna keep on running in circles, or we gonna finally say, bro, enough is enough. Like, bro, no payouts in January. That's insane. Legit insane. Like I said, I'm one trade away from my next payout. So I really just want to make it a good trade the next day I decide to trade. You know what I'm saying? And call it.
Facts.
No point, bro. You're gonna keep on doing the same thing, expecting a different result.
I need my payouts again, man.
Bruh, it was such nice extra money, bro.
It was literally every month.
Bro, 4, 5, 6 extra grand. And I was sitting for like 10 to 15 extra. That's why I'm like, bruh, it's about that time again. I'm real close to a per dia payout. I'm $400 away from that, and I'm $800 away from a rate of 5. So at that point, be ready. I'm be ready. 20 seconds. It don't look like we're closing above it. I don't know, Roger. That's a 4-hour candle closing above too, by the way. Four-hour closing above, 1 hour just closed above. No bottom wick. Tapping into that green resistance again on the 15. But once again, is it going to break its own low? Is this little resistance 11 pips away and continue up? Or is it going to really drive down? And I think to know if it's really going to drive down, I need a red candle closure back below, either at least on the 15 or the 30. I ain't just gonna call it. Yeah, like I need a red candle closing, like just literally like 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, anything, just closing below. Antonio's new play is playing out once again at this resistance, but it might blast off. But like I said, I know my dog got this 50-68.7 buy stop set. So whoever wants to take that with him, y'all are about 30 pips away, 40 pips away. So just be careful. Use a stop loss. Roger, don't do nothing stupid. But I think we know our answer, brother. Damn.
Oh, see, shit like this be tempting me to do it.
It just did, bro. It did it perfectly. Like it broke it. But there's nothing wrong with just watching it, bro. There's nothing wrong with that.
I know. Just like hit that no bottom wick. Like,
no bottom wick on the new 4-hour candle. I don't even think T-Time will take this one. I really don't. He might. He can speak for himself.
But now you're right though. We gotta wait for a red candle.
We gotta stop, bro. We gotta stop this shit. We gotta stop, bro. Like we fucking with our profits. We called out the good moves. We said it right here. We was like, okay, 930, and then this one closure back in range, bruh. You gonna take this one at 10:02 and be scary. All right, red candle, you in? Let's see. Flip. All right, 59.3 was the entry. Let's see. All right, just tapped into here. Let's see. Seen about 20.
Well, fuck it, let it keep coming down. Do a 15
exactly.
minutes
Exactly. I've seen about 25 max. Seen about 30. Seen about 30. I don't know if stop loss go to break even at 30 with these lower lots. I don't know. Probably about 28 with the spreads. You had a 57 pip stop loss, so you probably want to be at least shooting for 40 to 50. Let's see if it keeps re-breaking as low. It should keep pushing down. Once again, no bottom wick on the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, nothing. Yeah, stop loss hit. Break even hit. Would have been hit if you got your stop loss at break even. Which I would, because like I said, this could just be flipping to go back up. And I'm not sending no drawdown when I know that this was my advantage point. And on a 7 micro or a 6 micro, I would not have taken $200. I'd have did what I did on Friday, which was hit a break even. So, you want to stay on for this last 12 minutes and just see if we get a red candle?
Yeah. You know my end time's 10:30, so.
But all right, well, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stay on till 10:15. And if I don't get what I like, call it. If a 15-minute close above this resistance, this buy ain't bad either. It's just I would prefer a sell out of here now. Like we done pushed enough up.
I definitely would prefer to sell.
Yeah, bro, we done pushed enough up. So let me get this off my screen. Let me make this a little more appealing. So now what I'm looking for is, so a buy is above here. Buy is actually closing above right there. Probably targeting the wick right here, like targeting these wicks, which is about a 60 pip range. You anticipated breaking the daily high if you do get a good entry, but you just never know. A sell, I would want closure back below here, where we're respecting, like I fucking said we would. We're respecting this. First target under there probably is like down into here. Into this support right there. Longer targets are down into here. Boom. Kind of like right into here, which is a resistance support. Boom. So once you get under here, you close, you get a red candle, you should have at least 40 to 50 to play with to get into here. But the real target is way down into here. So I'm probably gonna walk around for a little bit, get my mind right, and I'll be back in the next few minutes. Y'all got anything to do, have fun, but I ain't doing nothing until 10:15. Let's go ahead and see what we can get into. I'm gonna go ahead and take myself off camera, and whatever happens in the next 8 minutes, 58 seconds, that'll be determined if my day is done or not. So I'll be right back. All right, money making Raj, I'm back. What's the play, brother?
This shit need to come on down.
Yeah, I do.
Stop loss on the previous candle low. Rest.
This is a nasty little. This is nasty right now. Where we at? This is weird. What is going on? Are we just like, bro? What is this? What is this? For real? What we doing? What is that? What the hell am I supposed to do with that? It really don't look bad though. Like if you look at it freaks me out. I just keeps rejecting out of here.
Mm-hmm.
That is the only thing it's freaking me out because it rejected out of here perfectly. You can even go to the 1 minute and see it tapped it, came down, tapped it, came up. Like it's just like, why is this area so like it's holding it? Even on a 1 minute time frame, you can see it's holding it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, there's a Tonio play if you want it. It is a nice Tonio play. Closing and respecting. Flip back up. I'm gonna try it. Whoever don't know why I'm taking it.
Stop filled.
It got me in way too fast. Fuck. Okay. Well. That got me in way too fast. No.
Order filled.
Hell nah. It's going back up. Damn. Yeah, okay. It would have got my full stop. Let's see. Did that even get me in over here? Yeah, see, I only lost 250. I'm cool with that. Nah. Heck nah, bro. I got seen that. I was like, not me.
Nah, it got to sell for me, bro. Like, look, it got a...
It's... Yeah, man. It got a lot of fucking range to go down. Damn, it made me want to stay on.
Bro, like, once it gets under that support, you know?
Yeah. Here.
Yeah.
Here. Or even, like, here. Bro, it don't got nothing to do but sell. Damn.
Maybe even a 5 minute could do it.
Order filled.
Let me see. Let's see if it flip again.
Oh, you put another order on?
Nah, I gotta buy. Just how it came down, tapped into this, and potentially flipping up. I'm trying to get some of this back.
Well, you gotta buy stuff.
Yeah, I had to buy. But it could go bad again. Let's see. I don't know. It might fall down. I'm down like 20. But you called it though. You said it. Come on. Come up. If it re-breaks, it's looking good to go down, but trying to get this buy up. Damn it. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to sell.
Closure under that support. That's the only.
Yep.
The only thing I can look at.
Right. And you don't want this.
Stop filled.
Wow, I got flipped badly. Oh, that just slipped the hell out of me.
No, the spreads got you.
Yeah, it slid me. And it tapped it perfect. Like, bruh, I lost 392 on that when I should have lost like maybe 270.
Dude, that's the shit I be hating, bro.
Bruh.
You put a stop loss and that shit go over your stop loss. Like,
bruh. Man.
What's the point of a stop loss, bro?
Exactly.
That shit was not doing that on Project X, bro.
It wasn't, but I think TradeCopia is just more of a realistic platform is the only difference. That's the only difference.
Somebody need to come out with a new Project X, bro.
Something comparable to it.
So many trades I could have saved like an extra $100 loss.
Bruh, it adds up. Definitely adds up. Yeah, bruh. I just lost like 300 something on that for nothing. Like I said, 392, bro. That's a lot for nothing.
At least it was on another account, not the first account.
Yeah, I was liking to buy Tonio after this close, respecting this support over here. And it just went straight down. It came up for like 6, maybe 7, but nothing crazy. Roger said he only looking at sales at this point. I was thinking we'd at least come up into here, where we came up a couple times now. But
10:30 it is. This is my ending time.
Bruh.
This thing gonna have to show me.
Man. Don't make me do it, Tonio. I'm gonna do it. I just want to get some of my bread back at this point. I'm looking at this 5-minute closure, or this 5-minute opening. I might take a sell on a re-break of the low. Just working the play, getting some bread back. I'm only going to 1. Because if it does re-break, see, and that's annoying because I had a buy. I had a buy, bro. This is my entry right here. Damn. That's annoying. Bruh. I took a loss on this buy position. Look at the stop loss, Roger. Look where it got me. Can't call it, bro. Cannot call it. But if it flips back down, I do definitely think it's going to come down because of how it grabbed. Like it ran up all this way. It said limit sell at the daily high. At the daily high. Damn. You just gotta be able to sit in them damn pullbacks, bro. Fuck. That's it. I'm looking at like this or something small. I'm in a scalping bag since I took a loss on that. Fuck. Don't make it right either. But it's a sell. Just on a reflip after breaking these highs and shit. I'll take another loss. That's just that, I guess. Let's see if we can just bite into this loss a little bit. Nothing just crazy. It just keep playing around and not. That annoyed me. I'm not mad at the loss. I'm mad at how much it took extra. That's the worst part. It's that extra shit, bro. about to delete that. Well, like you said, Roger, we here now. So, what's the next play? 30 minutes, bruh.
Oh, I promise you, this shit don't go down. Close where I wanted to be.
That's it. That's it.
You still got your stop loss. Your
Sell?
yeah.
No, I don't. That shit done ran up too much. It got close to my entry and then it ran up. But like I said, the unfortunate truth was the buys can be in play just because of how it's like everything's bullish. So this could just be the bottom wick for this to continue up until something actually closes like strong red, like strong red. This closed right at a support. So let's see, how big was my entry was 53.1. And it done got up to 58.7.9. But I couldn't sit in this drawdown. I could have, but it's like I didn't know how big this stop loss was gonna be.
Oh, I need you to go drop down like all the way.
These are all the way. Bro, this closure is disgusting. It needs to come down. Three minutes, bro. You about to call it, bro?
Yeah.
You waiting on this 5 minutes to come down, like you be saying. Just come down.
Yeah, bro. Mine too, man.
Like I said,
I don't feel comfortable with no buys. I ain't gonna lie.
I like Antonio play. It just didn't play until I got out of it. Oh, good. Damn, why did that shit have to do that to me though? Fuck. Yeah, bro. I can't sit no 80 foot drawdown. Unfortunately, 75 foot drawdown. I wouldn't have done that anyway. Okay, 5 minutes. Trying a little bit. Kinda.
I should not about to do it in 2 minutes.
You trying to get all the way under here or just under here?
I would prefer all the way under there. Like, this shit need to show me it's going.
Fuck. I hate taking little stupid ass losses. Oh shit, now this shit buying up. Don't do nothing stupid, bro. So I gotta tell myself, just don't do nothing stupid. I know it's bad now, or it feels stupid now. Like I'm looking at -6, like on 50. That's right at that stopping point. Unless you see something just A+ to get most of your shit back, you probably just better off calling to the next day.
Mm-hmm.
Because We know what that one bad day does. But ultimately, like I said, I mean, the per D account, I lost a little bit on that, but I'm still at 2,000. I need to get 3,000. What's going on here? 1 minute. I think it's gonna go down. It's just, bro, it's no telling. And then you just in this weird little range too.
Yeah. And it's like it's not even in the middle of a range, it's at the top of a range. Like just stuck. Like that. Nah.
10 seconds. Bruh. Perfect top wick opening again. Man. I gotta try my Tonio play. I think I got to, bruh. How many is that? Just into this area, it's already 27, 28. I don't know, bro. No top wick, no bottom wick. Bro, I damn near want to throw out a little sell right here. If it gets to there, I might try that. With the real risk. On my Tonio shit. And if it just keeps going, just keep going. Oh, come on. Come back up. Come back up. Re-break the high. There we go.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. I ain't gonna do too much. I see like minus 30, I'm gonna call it. Yep, that's it.
Wait, you trying it? What you doing?
Yeah, I just tried it. I'm trying it. I got to stop for 30. 30. I just got in up there. May or may not play out. May or may not.
Hey.
Let's see. 62.3 is my entry. It has no bottom width. Oh, shit. 62.3 is the entry. Damn. Fuck. Bro, the spreads are just big again. Spreads are big as hell. 62.3. So you
Roger,
trying
you
it? I mean, win, lose, or draw. It's just 3.
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what y'all doing.
Nah, he put a limit still at this position.
No.
I'm trying to see. Let's see, 65 points. It's just playing around. It's not giving it to me. Like, and I feel like I need some more room, but I don't want to give it too much room. Damn, it need a little more room than this. Yeah,
I can't do it, Tonio.
Nah, it's about to break it. It's about to break it. I should just get out. Save them little pips.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just got out. It's gonna hit it, so it ain't on point. Yeah, ooh. Glad I did. Oh, wow.
God damn.
Woo. Hell no, bruh. Hell no.
Yeah.
That's
good feeling,
that's
boy.
it.
I'm telling you.
That's
Good
that.
feeling, man.
That's it. It was playing around, but nah, I'ma just call it right there. I'll see y'all on the stream. I hit the group message. That's crazy.
Sure.
All right, y'all be easy.
Peace up, man.
Yeah. Brandon said, let's go. This man here.
He talking about told y'all niggas.
Man, whatever. See y'all.
Peace out.